Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be speaking about Australian Finance Group, ticker AFG. Before starting with the video, I would really appreciate if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. To give a little bit of an introduction of AFG, AFG is a financial firm that is involved in the origination, management and securitization of mortgages in Australia. The company operates as a mortgage aggregator whereby it provides mortgage brokers access to support and products with access to a number of financial institutions through a network of over 2,900 mortgage brokers across Australia. To make this a little bit more simple, what this company does to earn their revenue is they act as an intermediary between lenders and brokers. So they get a commission through putting these two people together. For this video, I'm gonna go through 4 points. I'm gonna do a company overview, fundamentals overview. I'm gonna talk a little bit about the latest news regarding this company, and I'm also gonna talk what I think it's the growth potential of AFG. In terms of the fundamentals of this company, we can see in the chart that the revenue has been slowly but steadily increasing throughout the past 4 years. And in terms of the balance sheet, it's also really good because they recently did an equity raising. They raised $60 million, and after this equity raise, they will have cash and cash equivalent of $112 million, and also they're gonna have a balance sheet that will be debt free, which is great for this company. In terms of the latest news, of course, we have the equity raising that was $60 million, which I previously spoke on this video, and also AFG wants to merge with another company called Connective. If AFG and Connective successfully merge, they're gonna account for almost 40% of all mortgage aggregator brokers operating in Australia, and this is gonna be huge for AFG. There's a problem. The Australian Competition and Consumer Commission, they are worried that brokers are not gonna have another option but to work with AFG, because they're gonna have like half of the market share in this sector. So it's being under review at the moment, and in a couple of days we're gonna have an answer for this merge. The announcement is gonna happen on the 18th of June. I'd like to give my recommendations on this stock on regards on if it's a good idea to buy it or not. I believe it's a good idea to buy it, given that, well, short term, before the 18th of June, where the merger announcement is gonna be, the stock is probably gonna surge because of the speculation. So if you get the stock as soon as possible, you're gonna be able to ride the increase of the share price. And then when the 18th of June is approaching, you can take the decision of if you want to just take your money out and take the earnings that you've made, or if you want to just trust that the merger will happen, and if the merger happens, the share price is probably gonna just keep increasing. Also, in terms of long-term holding, I also believe it's a good idea because of how good this company has been performing, and also I believe the merger is gonna happen, so I believe that it will continue the share price is gonna continue raising and raising. Just to add as well, some of the analysts estimate that the one year target is estimated to be 1.92. Thanks a lot for watching my videos. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like it, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.